This is John Paul Rai. I'm coming to you from Tokyo, Japan. Today, I want to go over this tweet by The Real Laura B, and it's a good one, it's important, and I'm pretty impressed by the judge already in this Virginia case, because she's going to say here pretty much the exact right thing. First of all, let's get to the bottom line. Amber Heard was a third-party witness in the UK lawsuit and was not under the same discovery rules as NGN or Depp. Elaine cannot cite a single legal authority to support her claim for the plea in bar, which is sanctionable. And basically, what that means is there's no authority anywhere that says that the UK court decision was final and that it actually means anything in the US. And I think it's kind of insulting to the court to say, well, we don't want to hear what you think about the case. It's already been decided. Let's get into it. Ms. Heard's plea is her third baseless attempt to dismiss Mr. Depp's defamation claims and avoid a trial on the merits. That is exactly right. She doesn't want to take a trial on the merits of the evidence. She wants to just get it dismissed based on, well, the fact that she wants to get out of it, basically. Ms. Heard contends that the November 2nd, 2020 judgment, the UK judgment, rendered by the High Court of Justice, Queen's Bench Division of the UK Court in Mr. Depp's lawsuit against News Group Newspapers and Dan Wooten, the UK defendants, entitled Depp vs. News Group's Newspapers, bars Ms. Depp's defamation case against her, which remain pending before this court under the doctrines of res justica, issue, preclusion, and committee. Ms. Heard, however, cannot cite a single authority that supports her plea that this court dismissed Mr. Depp's defamation claims based on a judgment rendered in a different country with a different disclosure and evidentiary rules between different parties, where Ms. Heard was not a party and was not subject to discovery on that court's authority. So like I said, a pretty perfect way to put it right here. I couldn't have said it better myself. Different country is a key part, and I didn't even stop to think that Amber Heard was not actually in that case, you could say. That wasn't even a case between Depp vs. Heard. So in this statement from the court, it looks like we have a little quote from Judge Penny. Looks like something she wrote herself, and she clearly says, the requested motion does appear to be futile. So this here is what I think sounds like something Judge Penny said in her own words, not like all the legal terms. So what I'm going to do, I'll grant the request for supplemental plea in a bar for a motion to dismiss and grant to allow the amended to answer the grounds for defense. I will not, however, if it does come after everything and that I am right, that this is futile and not based on any sound legal basis. I mean, it will be sanctionable. I just want to make sure we all understand that. So it seems like down here in Exhibit 7, they just reiterate that there's actually no legal basis, so I'm going to move on. Moreover, the timing and procedural history of the UK action disproves Ms. Heard's contention that the UK judgment was rendered after full discovery into the veracity of Ms. Heard's claim that Mr. Depp abused her during their marriage, and Mr. Depp thus already had his day in court to disprove his claim. Critically, discovery in this action was and still is ongoing when the UK judgment was rendered, and the UK judgment was rendered. This ongoing discovery revealed that Ms. Heard lied in one of her witness statements submitted to the UK action on behalf of the UK defendants, in which she had signed a statement of truth under risk of contempt of court. That sounded so good, felt so good to read. Let's read that one more time. This ongoing discovery revealed that Ms. Heard lied in one of her own witness statements submitted in the UK action on behalf of the defendants. And if this judge knows Amber Heard's a liar going into the court case, hopefully, and it looks like, not hopefully, but she should be picking up on everything that we've been picking up for all this time, that Amber Heard is not a reliable witness, and this does indeed seem like a big hoax. Anyway, you guys, of course, let me know what you think down below. I think I know what a lot of you guys think, that this is good news, and this does give me hope. I mean, this right here is just exactly what I would say. Amber Heard lied. Her attempt is futile. So it looks like we're off to a good start. Anyway, you guys, of course, let me know what you think down below. I'm doing pop culture, Depp vs. Heard, whatever comes up in the celebrity news that I find interesting. And like I said, this video here does give me more hope because after the UK trial, it just seemed like there was something going on, unnatural, you could say. But this judge seems like, well, she's just got a lot of common sense. If you don't subscribe here and you've thought about it and you still don't, I guess I'll be sad, but I'll get over it. See you next time.